Hello and welcome to the Power BI basic training. In this video, I'll be quickly going through the type of licenses that Power BI can use. So there are basically three types of licenses that we can get um, to use Power BI as a data analytics and BI platform. So one is the free user where we can create a report and publish it in one workspace, and we can't share it with people outside our local organization. With the other license, which is the most popular one, is the pro license, which are individually we have the capacity of we can pay per month the organizations against each user, and we'll have all the features in you know for publishing and sharing of data set, and type of workspaces that we can create, and multiple work with multiple teams, and have access controls in specific to separate departments and separate teams. The last one is the premium per user or the premium user as well. So there is a premium capacity that can we can get by paying a set of amount, and you know based on that we can add multiple users as well. But premium per user also enables the functionality in regards to how users interact, as well as some new features in related to AI, and data analytics can also be added. So just quickly going through the licensing type. So the one type of license is based on the premium capacity, as I mentioned, where the users, in kind of a things that can be done, can have multiple workspaces, and multiple updates. But outside the premium capacity, of course, people will have only access to the Power BI service, and they will not have be able to access any workspaces or any other things as well. So here are the three type of users. So first is Power BI free. This has access to content in my workspace. We cannot access any other workspace. We cannot share any content. The users which have a capability in the premium capacity can consume the content shared with them. However, we can have because the user has a free account, we cannot share the report to other users. um, yeah. So that's what it is. Moving on to the next one is the Power BI Pro, which is as I mentioned, is a popular one. And here we can publish the content in other workspace, share the dashboard work, subscribe to the dashboard, subscribe to the reports, and share with the users which have pro users. So for example, if there are 10 pro users, they can easily interact with each other, share the reports, create the reports, distribute the content as well. Yeah, that's what it is. And additionally, we can distribute the report with the free licenses as well, with the limitation. So yeah, and for Power BI premium per user, we can publish the dashboard, similar things we can do. And uh, we can also do a comparison of Power BI premium and Power BI Pro as well. So I'll be going through that as well. So you know it gives an options. Of course, there is one part is the free license, the other part is the pro and premium license. We can also compare the pricing in regards to pro and premium. So there are two aspects for the premium. Is 4995 is the capacity that we can get, and we can add new free users, and can create a organizational wide capacity of the users. And also we can have a per user capacity of $20 a month, and then include all the features available in the Power BI Pro, as well as have advanced analytics and artificial intelligence as well. However, Power BI Pro is 999, which is gives an opportunity to create and visualize dashboards as well. So this is, this per capacity means that, the Microsoft team will, the consultant will coordinate with your company and will have assessment in regards to whatever the needs are and things are there. However, premium capacity per user can be, and pro users can be bought according to that. So this is what the main feature is. Features are that, what is the difference between the Power BI Pro and premium users and premium capacity users. So you know this is collaboration and analysis. The data model size limit is 1 GB to 400 GB, as well as the governance and administration. It is also in comparison with the pro license premium per users, as well as the premium license as well. So yeah, this is pretty much it for the comparison for the pricing of free users, pro users, and premium users. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.